are back again, concluding the first part of this video that was filmed on June 30th, my girl's birthday. That's why we got B. Pate with us again on the boat. And we just want to freaking bring you guys a little bit of a closure to that last video. And we're actually out here with a few other buddies. We got Brian Trask doing it big. This is his boat. And Big Mitch. Big Mitch. He's getting the droid ready. But basically, you know, we've been continuously making passive income. And, you know, just even how much would $100 a day change someone's life? You know, with COVID going on, with all that stuff, just a minuscule amount. We know you pulled 14K in a day. We knew how that felt. But what about just $100 a day for some people?
How would you feel if someone filled up your tank with gas and bought you dinner every night? You gonna be mad at that? I'd date that person. I'd be like, yo, you're dope.
Hey, that was pretty good right there, man. Wow. So tell us what you've been up to lately, Brian. Just fucking the acting gigs, the life transformation.
Yeah, man. Life's been crazy. I have some big stuff. I can't tell too much. I mean, I can tell I got the final cut on a national Nike commercial. So I was literally the last person cut out of like 10,000 for a national ad, which is good. That's a good sign. And then I had an audition for a network TV show, got a call back. So I might have a reoccurring role on Hulu soon. Stay tuned.
Hulu.
But that's all rolling, and I mean, yeah, man, it's the Amazon thing gave me the ability to pursue that full force because now I have the passive income where I don't have to have a day job. I still train, but all my clients I have great relationships with, so it's honestly more of like
Mitch, it's over there.
Just hanging out with that
with shit friends. Went down to the water, bro.
Mitch almost
crashed your drone.
Oh my god!
It's above you.
I gotta land it. That wasn't good.
It's coming down. Oh crap!
You got it.
That was so sketchy. I saw it getting lower. Oh my god. Land. There it is.
That thing got a
Yo! That was too close for comfort, boys.
It literally
that
got
was too close.
This close to the water.
I was like, wait, where are we going, bro?
That was an inch off the water,
bro.
dude.
It was literally this close.
I wasn't even touching it though. It was like going down on its own. That's fucking sketch.
Oh my god.
Drone's going back in.
Back to passive income.
I cannot make this shit up.
I also want to, you know, give a shameless plug. The new Netflix movie, All Together Now, has Luke W. featured as a skateboarder, skater number 2. We're going to lay some clips over that right now. Let's go, baby. I'm in a Netflix movie. Let's go. But this is the stuff, again, when you do create the financial freedom, then you can go book gigs with whatever you want, go do whatever you want, and you're not held down to that 8 hours a day kind of thing.
Just so everyone knows, this summer I probably spent 95% of my days on a boat. Working or not working. Shout out Darian one time, my business partner. Appreciate you, man. We're killing it.
Yeah. So you guys, when did you start Amazon? For people on just that have never seen this before,
just
like give me your story.
100% details on everything. So I bought Luke's course. So first thing, there's a lot of people out there, we were just talking about this, that talk about buying the course. Like, oh, I want to do this. I'm going to do it eventually. 2 months go by, 3 months go by. First thing, if you want to be successful in anything, you got to be an action taker, right? So if you fail, you're going to learn from your mistakes. So you got to take action. So I texted Luke. We used to work together a long time ago at Joey, and I know he's been killing it with his Amazon thing. And I was like, hey man, like literally like 5 p.m. on like a Wednesday. Hey, I'm thinking about taking your course. 2 a.m. I buy his course. Text me in the morning. Oh shit, I saw you got the course. Let's do it. And so I knock it out within a day or two. The whole course. I go back. I reference everything the whole way. I don't really hit him up a lot. I'm kind of solving things. When I really get stuck, I hit him, but maybe once or twice the whole time. I go live with my first product May 1st. I sell out my 50 touch badge within a week. 3K in sales, I net 2. I flip that, double it back. I end up doing my whole end of May, 17.8. June, we closed, I think it was 30.2, and it's just kind of been a wrap since then. Damn. And I partnered with Darian right at the end of May.
And you guys, I don't usually recommend partnerships because it's like business, bank accounts, all this other crazy stuff, but you guys had a real synergy.
Yeah, well, I mean, we've been really good friends for a long time, and we're just good at different things. So we have a really good balance. Like, he's a pessimist, I'm an optimist, right? Like, I'm really business savvy, I'm really good with numbers and budgets. He's really good with ads and targeting. That's what he does for a living. So our PPC campaigns, man, Darian's the dude. Like, that guy can run any PPC campaign better than anybody. So it's a perfect partnership.
Dude, that's what I'm talking about. And yeah, summer's coming to a close now. It's just, you know, what do people have to look forward to with straight up, you know, winter coming on? Why would you be waiting on the side? Like, is it a money issue? If it's a money issue, what would you tell
Let me
them?
ask you this. If it's a money issue, wouldn't you want to make more money? Right? Like, wouldn't you want to take $500 and make it? We just passed like 70,000 in sales. Wouldn't you want to, you know, make 70,000 from $500 passively over 3-4 months?
We got speedboat. I love this lens, man. This lens is a charm. It's zooming like crazy. Hey, if money's an issue, you know, go. This is the key to make more money.
Do you have a credit card? Don't be scared of debt, because debt just makes you work harder. There's no point in saving your money because it doesn't do anything for you. If you're business savvy or financial savvy at all, you know to make money work for you. So if you have a credit line, why don't you make your credit line work for you?
What about if time is an issue? Even though people...
that's all right. So first thing, I want you to take a notebook and write down how many hours of TV you're watching. How long are you sleeping? What hobbies do you have? If you're literally not like saving children 20 hours a day, you probably have some time to carve out to fix stuff. When I was doing, bro, I'll just give you my day by day right now. So I'm working like crazy. I wake up, I train clients from like 6 to 12 every day, and then from 12 to 2 I work out. I'll go home, I'll work on Amazon stuff whenever it's needed from like 2 to 4, 2 to 5. And then from 5 to 8, 5 to 9, I'm working on my real estate license because I want to take all this money and build a real estate portfolio. And then I eat and I go to bed or I go hang out with friends. I haven't watched TV in 2 months.
Okay, so you hear what he said. He spends maybe 2-3 hours a day on Amazon. And what does your day-to-day consist of with Amazon? For me, it's literally like checking advertising spend and seeing if I got new reviews or...
When Amazon's set, you don't really have to put any time into it. The reason I'm putting in at least like 3-4 hours a day right now is because working with trademark stuff, I'm talking with lawyers, I'm trying to get false sellers off one listing, I'm trying to launch new products, I'm sourcing reviews, I'm building new brands, I'm creating new stores.
Yes,
I'm just trying to grow it, right? So I'm not getting complacent, I'm trying to hit 6 figures a month. So it's 6 figures a month is worth 4 hours out of my day. It's worth not watching TV.
That's right, man. Hey, well, that's a wrap. Cheers, bud.
Cheers.
We're gonna come over here. Luke W Live. Luke W Live. Oh, we got the boat cap here.
What's up, kids?
This is I think the newest enrollee in the FBA Freedom course.
I already got a boat. What do I need you for? No, I'm playing.
No, dude. So you took it like how have you been?
Can't surf on shit.
Shit. How have you been fucking taking the course, man?
The course has been good. So Luke is a friend of mine, and I love watching his course videos because he's so amped, and he actually is like really into this stuff, like day in, day out, whether he's on camera or off camera. You're actually kind of obsessed with it. Like, you're always talking about it.
I got the camera on the boat, bro.
I know, literally.
Every day.
Like, I thought we were just gonna have a night off, but there aren't. I guess there aren't nights off for this guy. So
No, dude.
I appreciate that.
Friday, baby.
It's, you know, like the knowledge is literally something like we were even just talking about how much you make in college going to get a degree versus the debt that you're spending on college, and it's just like it's not comparable. I mean, if you want to blow out, you know, your like work on your credit, your banking relationships, and with your course, it's kind of like a no-brainer.
It's that easy. So, I mean, he's just beginning, but honestly, this is a great segue because you haven't had your product yet, but Mitch has a product.
Hey there, bud.
Hey, bud. Mitch,
Slightly juice. What's up, buddy?
Mitch has a product live. Is your account even fully verified right now?
I don't know.
We don't know if his account's fully verified.
I don't think it's fully verified, but I mean, I have my own business doing production and making marketing content for businesses and companies. And so I have very little time to actually spend on it, but I know if I spend at least like an hour a day on it, it could scale much faster. I'm actually going to be launching a second product here very soon, so thanks to this guy right here.
Hey, well, honestly, man, it's thanks to yourself taking the initiative to at least get something in there. So many people
Yeah, for sure.
are like, yeah, I'm gonna
Like
do
he wasn't
it.
there figuring out, telling me what to do. He gave me the skeleton, and it's up for me to fill in the meat in the potatoes.
So how'd you find your product? You were on Alibaba. You literally did more research just hands-on on the Alibaba app, because this guy is busy as hell. Like, he's grinding, he's building his relationships and network like someone I've never seen before, but he's got the Alibaba app, and he's literally just like searching for products. He's like, hey Luke, what do you think about this? I'm like, awesome, let's just find a good bundle for it. And the point I said, we don't even know if he's verified his account fully yet, but the funny part is he's making sales already.
Yeah, I'm making sales. What I saw was, a very specific product. I got really inspired off of what Luke was doing with the party kits, because, the point that he makes all the time is, they use it one time, they throw it away, and it's good. Very I don't think you've probably even had one return on a party kit.
I've sold like over 1,000 of those, and I've had a few returns.
Okay, so
But
a few out of 1,000.
Literally like five, maybe 5 returns.
That's like 0.1%.
Out of like 1,000.
So, what I did was, I'll just tell you what it is, 'cause I don't give a shit. Like, it's an inflatable cooler, right? And I bundled it with something like some inflatable cup holders too. And I saw that these two items were always sold separately, and so I was like, hey, why not bundle them? And I'm getting sales like every day, and I've spent zero ads, zero anything. Yeah, just from using Amazon's traffic. So don't underestimate the power of the internet. Get that internet money. That Wi-Fi check hits different, I'm telling you.
That's right. So Luke W is gonna tune it out here. I want you guys to just take some action and make it happen. Like, this is the end of summer. What do you guys have to do this winter? There's nothing left to do besides just make it happen, guys. And if you have questions, go follow me on Instagram. Have a great rest of your day. This is just a off-topic video. I don't know how to film these vlogs as well as the informational stuff, but stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Like halfway out the door. This is my song! I was like, I forgot something. I gotta pay my tab, guys. I gotta pay my tab.